Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's giving here with another reaction. Yeah. Today we're here with Digga the Moneybagg, yo. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So, I am reacting to this video the same day it dropped, but YouTube, bumbleclot YouTube have a tendency of blocking the videos. They're making me wait for 2 weeks. YouTube suck on the mother. YouTube suck your mother, brother. Stop block the video, them, brother. It's a reaction video. That's gonna piss me off, dog. Gonna piss me off. Anyway, we're gonna jump in the one and see what the G said. Digga, the big up yourself, Moneybagg, big up yourself. Let's get this one, man. Let's go.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Big up Drew. Going works.
If you know, say you're gonna jump on a program. What?
Hold on, the one. Blood clot. They say you start, Digga. And they say you start, brother. Alright. What if you don't do so far? Alright, again.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
I like it already, dog.
If you know, say you're gonna jump on a program.
What am I saying now?
One gun finger. If you know, say you bust your gun. One gun finger.
Digga, why you can't just give me a dancehall song, brother? Just give me a full dancehall song, dog. Like, just give me a full dancehall song so me get mad and mash up every blood clot thing in you. Mash up every blood clot thing and make you bite back. Cause your money tall, my one small. You can't bite back.
Yourself the season.
Oh, that go.
If you know, say you're gonna jump on a program. One gun finger. If you know, say you bust your gun. One gun finger. If you know, say you shot people.
One gun finger.
You're right. Try to rise up in 9 next year.
Like this.
Fill up your G-lock.
Free up the blood clot.
Born and raised in a block.
Yeah.
Ride the machine, the G-lock.
When the man say rise the machine, the man mean the blood clot Glock. The Glock 19. Rise up the Glock 40. Pussy, well you think you're smarty? Hey? Gunshot in your blood clot, hey boy.
Alright. Yeah!
Hey! Right.
Ride the machine, the G-lock. Laugh machine saves the boy from G. Crash the car so fast, shut the ski off. My young boy still slide on a 50. Ride the machine, the G-lock.
Yo, Digga the can't miss. Digga the cannot put a foot wrong. I said this in the last reaction. There's a couple artists here in the UK where can't put a foot wrong. Digga D is one, Central C is one, and RD is one. Them 3 artists they cannot put a foot wrong right now, brother. Them they on fire. Obviously there's more, but I'm just telling you, like, these 3 artists cannot put a foot wrong, brother. No joke, dog.
Laugh machine saves the boy from G. Ride the machine, the G-lock. Laugh machine saves the boy from G. Crash the car so fast, shut the ski off. My young boy still slides on a look. Yo, let me know what that barbecue is. I'll aim at chest and barbecue ribs across the blue brew. Let me know what that barbecue is. I'll aim at chest and barbecue ribs across the blue brew. Clot off too quick, then part the broomstick. This ain't no loot. I ride for Jesus and get down Judas. I'm way too ruthless, they can't defuse.
Man, saying ride for Jesus and get down Judas. Bro, yo.
Let me know what that barbecue is. I'll aim at chest and barbecue ribs across the blue brew. Clot off too quick, then part the broomstick. This ain't no loot. I ride for Jesus and get down Judas. I'm way too ruthless, they can't defuse it. I see a man turn into a statue. Ain't playing no games, you stop the music. Who stop? He's acting too tough. I grabbed my toothbrush, I gave him 2 plus. I'm moving ruthless.
Acting too tough, I grabbed my toothbrush, I gave him BW rhymes. Too tough, toothbrush. Yo, BW rhymes when I go this out.
Games, you stop the music. Who stop? He's acting too tough. I grabbed my toothbrush, I gave him 2 plus. I'm moving ruthless. The guns are clue class. They turn my crew nuts. I feel to complain, but they're just useless. The prick Mr. Kerry flipped my whole celly. Didn't find nothing, still took my telly. Suck your mother.
So him I talk about the prison party. I said no. So the toothbrush part, you know the man them sharpen them end of them toothbrush and tab out your blood clot at prison, right?
Grab my toothbrush, I gave him 2+. I'm moving ruthless, the guns are _Klux. They turn my crew nuts, I feel to complain, but they're just useless. The prick Mr. Kerry flipped my whole celly, didn't find nothing, still took my telly. Suck your mother, pussy. Came looking for phones, but didn't find any. What's 9 + 10, 21? Grab the bells and load this gun, hit his heady, I told him.
Man, so what's 9 + 10? 21. That boy the kind of government head still enough to make me know what go on there. So, cause I know say 9 + 10 and a 21 a blood clot, but me know a 19. So where you talk about the clock 19? What go on there? So what to blood clot this? Talk to me. Wanna talk to me in the comment section. What I mean that's
I'm moving ruthless, the guns are _Klux. They turn my crew nuts, I feel to complain, but they're just useless. The prick Mr. Kerry flipped my whole celly, didn't find nothing, still took my telly. Suck your mother, pussy. Came looking for phones, but didn't find any. What's 9 + 10, 21? Grab the bells and load this gun, hit his heady, I told him hold this one. One.
Hey, you're the gun, son. Hey, where the gun they come from, brother? Yo!
Grab the bells and load this gun, hit his heady, I told him hold this one. One. Purchase, can't find him, catch his friend and hurt him. BHA caught him.
Man say, pussy, me can't find your friend. Me can't find him, me catch your friend and hurt him. Dirt him. Blood clot. Right there. Dirt. In Jamaica, we say you can't catch Quaco, you catch him shot. If me can't catch your friend, if me can't catch you, me catch your friend or one of your family members, them and dirt them. I saw the thing going on the streets, dog. Darkness. Dark.
Purchase, can't find him, catch his friend and hurt him. BHA caught him. To burst him 2 with 1, that's me younger version. Ride the machine, the G-lock. Life machine saves the boy from G. I crashed the car so fast, shut the ski off. My young boy still slides on a 50. Ride the machine, the G-lock. Life machine saves the boy from G. I crashed the car so fast.
Yeah, the girl them thick like grandmother clock to blood clot. The girl them thick like Camille Parish. The girl them thick like them drink cement soup. Yo, them girl that thick so. How them girl that thick so? Oh, look here.
Life machine saves the boy from G.
How them girl that thick so? Look on that one ya. Baby. Eh? You broad like motorway.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Eh? I like it.
I crashed the car so fast, shut the ski off. My young boy still slides on a 50. Yo, rev up that.
Go, pick a machine, the Lambo, the Maybach, the Corvette, the Hellcat, the Rango. All these niggas with me bosses, you gotta ask for permission. Ain't having no say so, ain't having no motion. Said her nigga from the other side, I broke out the last.
Yeah, we like the connection. We like the connection with the JAMAICA right there. So we like the connection, dog. I'm gonna go cross that land.
Pick a machine, the Lambo, the Maybach, the Corvette, the Hellcat, the Rango. All these niggas with me bosses, you gotta ask for permission. Ain't having no say so, ain't having no motion. Said her nigga from the other side, I broke out the laugh. Pussy, feet on the pedal, she fucking with me cause I'm smashing. Seesaw, what's that? These bitches go back and forth, kick them out like FIFA, soccer. Restart, re-up, sold on some re-rock, then hit the money in the sheetrock. In the wall, don't watch.
They just keep raising the bar. Like they got the like when you think that's it, like in reach where I go, no, it just keep going. Like, bro, they got it. Big up Moneybagg though.
Like FIFA, soccer, restart, re-up, sold on some re-rock, then hit the money in the sheetrock. In the wall, don't watch Keisha, yo my G. Now I got a rehab detox. Freaky little bitch from London, suck my cock so good my feet lock. Smoke out the.
Freaky like a bitch from London, something like cock and them feet lock. Hey, what she get? The vice grip, eh? What she get? The pipe wrench, eh?
Rehab detox. Freaky little bitch from London, suck my cock so good my feet lock. Smoke out the pound, drink out the bottle, Been having my way for a while, I cannot go back to the bottom. Believe what you see, nigga, fuck what you heard. Consider it done if I get a word. Clip hole of 50, but I loaded 30. Switch on the glizzy, I make it say brrr.
Ride the machine, the G-lock.
Bag.
Life machine saves the boy from G. I crashed the car so fast, shut the ski off. My young boy still slides on a 50. Ride the machine, the G-lock. Life machine saves the boy from G. I crashed the car so fast, shut the ski off. My young boy still slides on a 50.
America the man in the dog. America, the man there, no, bro, God. Yo, the G do it, bro. Rate the man, dog. Yo, the G do it, bro. Yo, the G do it, bro. Me rate the man, dog. No joke, dog. Like, big up. Big blood clot up at, Digga, big up yourself, G. Like, big up yourself, fam. No joke, brother. Yeah, do it, bro. Yeah, do it. Moneybagg, big up yourself as well, dog. Joe film, Joe, big up yourself, Joe. And Grown Rocks Production. Nice video. Girl, I'm in the teak, yo, fuck. Yo. Yo, anytime there's a video with enough hot girl in it, me just get distracted and just lose when me I try to listen for, right? I be a girl, me I say, oh, me the man that's like, oh, dazzling, man. Dizzle.
What did he say?
You know what I mean? But yeah, nice video still, nice video, nice song. It's the next banger. From Digga, oh no doubt. Anyway, guys, this is what I'm going to leave on. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like for the video. Please subscribe. And if you're new, I'll check in the next one. You know, you hear me say? Alright. Anyway, guys, this is where I'm going to leave this one. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you are new. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.